Hello there! Welcome to the FluentU Academic Plus introductory video. Okay, this is the teacher portal. I just signed into FluentU as a teacher. The teacher portal has all the same features and all the same content as an individual account, except it has the added features of the schools. Here you can create classes, add teachers, add students, assign all of our content to your students, and view their progress. Let's take a look here. First of all teacher accounts have access to all of our languages. You can change them here. Click this icon and go to settings. You can change your language back and forth anytime, and your level anytime. FluentU will save your progress in all of your levels. Teachers can use their account to study a language as well as teach a language. That's totally fine. So, you got FluentU, you're ready to go. Let's create a class. Here we go. This is a class I created before. You can delete classes by doing this. Boop. Bye-bye class. Let's create a class. Add a class. Class name, test. Let's choose Spanish and beginner 1. You can create classes in all of our languages in any level, but the students you add to that class will only have access to that one language. Okay, so we've created a class. This is the class code. You can now give your students this code so they can sign in. We're going to do that a little later. First, I'm going to show you how to add students without a class code. It's easier in many ways. Okay, so let's choose a class. Okay, now let's add a student. You can add students with their email, or if you have concerns about data and all that stuff, I just suggest you add them without an email. It's very easy to do. All you need is their name, and it'll create a username. Add. Easy. Now your student can just go to fluentu.com and log in with this username and this password. They will be prompted to change the password immediately, so don't worry about that. So that's the easiest way and the safest way to add students.